Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one is a polar silver metallic. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke wheels. Black MB text interior with a satin brown poplar wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Come around back. GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. A clean set of floor mats. 60/40 fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Harman Kardon sound system. Memory seats. Power windows. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Steering wheel controls for extra performance. A push start ignition. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. This GLA has 31,392 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.